Hey folks, BlackCross and Dal Marr back with Kingdom Hearts Dream Drop Distance.
And we are going back to Travis Town, and we're going as Riku. Wait, was I meant to press Visitor's World, or? Crap.
Doesn't really matter. But yeah.
Okay. Like a 300 for...
Just fight the enemies. You'll accumulate relatively quickly.
Like, now. I just thought, I was like, wait a moment, wait, if I thought, is that a giant Stimpy?
Yep, it's a giant Stimpy. It's been done.
Yeah, it won't take too long, let me just, yeah, go through that. Why does it... Wait, can I just use Mega Flare?
I would wait until...
There it is. I think.
Yep.
Huzzah! Oh, I got an A! Oh,
Yep.
boy!
Okay, now you can visit it.
Wait. What?
Don't think technically you needed to, but...
Oh, well, I thought... Since it's... Never mind. I was just thinking, okay? At least I got an A.
Traverse Town? Why am I back?
He told me to.
Joshua.
Nice of you to join us.
What happened?
Trouble happened. I was hoping one of you could help.
When did Sora get here?
Bravo, Riku. Why can't he be this quick on the uptake?
Yeah, well, Sora's a little...
Now, let's get down to the problem. We've got a nasty Dream Eater on our hands. It keeps jumping between worlds. Not only that, it knows how to summon creatures like it. Pretty powerful ones, too.
Uh-oh.
The others are on a
Is
mission
this what
to
you were
stop
talking
them,
about?
But they need help.
Yeah, but you don't fight
others?
this one.
Oh.
You mean Shiki and her friends?
That's right. They all found their game partners, and Shiki is over fighting in the other Traverse Town. In fact, Sora is helping them out.
Good to hear. So what can I do?
Actually, the Dream Eater just reappeared in the Fountain Plaza. I sent Beat and his partner to face it.
I'm on it.
Riku, there's something else you need to know.
Hmm?
These two Traverse Towns separated by the portal. I was under the impression they were parallel worlds, but it looks like I was wrong.
Wrong how?
That's where it gets tricky. After you and Sora left, Shiki crossed the portal to join her game partner. Did you notice players have a mission timer inscribed on their hands? Well, when she got to the other side, Shiki had more time left on her clock than her partner. And when Beat's partner crossed over from the other side, she had less time left.
So time flows differently here and there? So what? That's true of any two worlds. Their homeworld would be running on a different time axis too.
Yes, I understand that. But if these Traverse Towns were parallel worlds, then time would flow the same in both. But it doesn't. Ergo, they are not parallel worlds.
You mean there's a past and a future?
No, impossible. The worlds are clearly separate. It's not just time that sets them apart. As you yourself noted, every world flows at its own pace, which tells me that for all their similarities, these
I'm
are
lost,
two
huh?
distinct worlds.
Distinct worlds?
Like, I know
Yes.
these, they're in their own
This is all
separate little
conjecture.
trials
It's like
thing.
the same world
but,
imagined by two people.
Like, jumping from Sora's to Riku's dream
that
world,
we're
and...
in.
The dream.
Yes. Bravo again, Riku. In which case, none of this may matter one bit to me or my friends. But to you and Sora, I think it might be a vital clue.
Right. Thanks. So you need me in the plaza?
Wow, I'm running out of bravos.
Didn't think there was a Bravo limit. But anyway, it was just more expositions, or in this case, more clues as to figuring out what was going on. Because like I'm saying, once you do figure it out as to what's really going on, you'll be like completely mind struck.
I don't like this. I'm scared.
Because it's... Let me put it this way. Technically, the way Josh explained it is perfectly the best way to explain it. Technically, they're both in the same world, but they don't coincide with each other. And while, yes, record, they're in the dream realm of that world, one is separate from the other. There's no two of the same worlds. They're just one world, and one separate from that world. And like I said, I can't spoil it, because you won't find out until literally towards the end as to what's going on.
Okay.
Unless you figure it out. Which, at this rate, might
I
be a
will
while.
probably, yeah, it's gonna be a while. I don't follow these. Why is it always so complicated? Can't we just say, is it a dream? Yes. Okay!
There's more right than wrong.
Well, that did not work.
Also, technically that's supposed to be a giraffe, but how come it sounds like a horse?
I thought it was a unicorn.
No, you'll know a unicorn when you see it.
Hold on, let me go through my command list.
Command deck?
Yeah. I'm gonna switch that.
Yeah, it'd probably be a good idea.
And then you use the dream me not. Or drop me not.
Okay.
Then we're gonna change that with strike rate.
Probably a good idea, yeah.
Alright. Had to edit that for a bit. I was level grinding Riku while we were taking a break from recording. Got him to level 21. Whoa. Okay. Alright, who's doing that?
That thing.
Hi there! You're dead!
He was like, oh, there's a nuisance.
What?
Oh gosh, I don't think no one would get it unless they watch the internet a lot, but lately me and Daniel's been exposed to a meme, and it's a running meme.
Which one?
Yeah, which one indeed. It's this guy, I'm not even sure what anime it's supposed to be from technically, but it's basically a guy where it points at a butterfly and it's like, is this a pigeon? And
oh, that one. What the heck? Riku, what happened? Did you have a glitch in the system?
Good question. But I was thinking about it, and it's like, imagine the face of Riku and one of the Dream Eaters, and it's like, is this a nuisance?
Okay, that's funny.
I mean, it's stupid, but at the same time,
it's cute.
It's funny.
Technically, I know I back travel, but I just saw that chest there, so it's like, oh. Wait, hold on. I can't help it. I love it.
I've always wanted to do that.
I can't help it. I love this gameplay mechanic.
You seem to be more aware of the gameplay mechanic than I am. That says a lot.
Broken? Yes. Is it fun as heck? Heck yes. Did I just confuse Uncle Waldo?
Probably.
Although there's one kind of small nitpick, and that's when the enemy alert, it doesn't automatically go back to normal once all the enemies are killed. It stays a few seconds longer, which kind of
Gets irritating.
a little bit. Again, it's just a small nitpick. It's something I kind of noticed.
Yeah, it's like that. It's one of those things where it's like you're always on par with where the enemies are and stuff like that. And when you see it stay lit like that, you're like, okay, there's an enemy somewhere.
Especially since if it might be far away.
Oh yeah, because there's like a draw distance in terms of enemy placement, but for some reason, yeah, you're right, it does stay there for like a few seconds.
Again, it's a small nitpick. It's just it's something that does kind of alarm me a bit.
Yeah. Well, sort of like how in Kingdom Hearts 3, whenever the people did the premiere event and stuff, a lot of content creators talked about how technically there was like a few seconds of airtime that Sora just basically stays levitated. Like after a jump, he's like, imagine the jump and then he just stays there for like a brief second.
Oh.
A lot longer than Kingdom Hearts 2's jump. And he was pretty floaty in Kingdom Hearts 2. So it's like, despite the fact of how perfectly flow motion the game is, Sora's still a little floaty. Which is unnerving.
And I'm level 22, I just realized. Yippee!
Yep.
Oh, I see what's going on. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Good.
Also, I think the elephant's stuck.
Yeah, not the only one who knows that too.
He was just like, wow, that elephant.
It's just, oh gosh, are we breaking the game? Oh, speaking of, what's going on here?
The heck?
About time, yo!
What am I...
What happened to your Dream Eaters?
Don't need them when I've got my game partner. And I don't need you!
Oh, here we go.
I'm trying to figure out what this Dream Eater is. I know it's a bird. On
A
a
type of bird, though, right?
Tell them that!
raven.
Hold on.
Nice to meet you. I'm right.
Pause it for a sec. Didn't think anyone was gonna call me.
Riku, right? Sorry, my partner's acting like a doofus.
I am not! You always gotta go around.
I'm just trying to figure out the bird. Like it has one of those 17th, 18th century rigs. You know, those fancy Parliament rigs.
Yo, Riku,
It's just,
you gonna sit there and let her get in
I
my
love
grill?
it. Please tell me he gets to be one of my
You
partners.
two are cut from
No.
the same cloth.
What?
Made of
He doesn't?
Not that one, though. But then again, that's a book.
Oh man.
But there's a
I wanted to name it Fuzzywig.
Yeah,
That would have been
he's
hilarious.
come through for me.
Dang it.
But I love this.
There! See? I'm a... Rhyme! You didn't just call me a punk again!
Huh?
Alright, now we ruffled its feathers.
He was getting very annoyed.
Yeah!
It's like, you dare ignore me? I am right flippin'
I
here!
can't believe the jerk! Ignore me, you rubber slippers! And now it's time to lay a kiss upon you!
That would be the voice.
Wait, what the heck? Oh, there it is.
Yeah, but you go that way to follow it.
Come on, time crunch or...
No.
Oh, okay.
The only time crunch is your little drop gauge. And your health.
But yeah, that'll be the voice. You rubber slippers, you annoy me right now! I'm so offended by your attitude! You kiss these things! Oh, let's...
That's quite the slobber.
I just think it'd be funny to have that bird do the voice like that.
Yeah, I know, but still. But yeah, it's funny of how they were arguing back and forth, and then that bird just like...
I'm right here! And if you don't give me the acknowledgement I deserve, then you are a bunch of BS! Do we see that bird again, or...?
Yes, you do.
Oh good, that means I can still do the voice.
Yeah, well, let's put it this way. Because it goes back and forth between Traverse Town, you will be seeing it in Sora's case.
Oh boy!
But that's the one I was telling you about, how it tends to teleport back and forth.
Oh, so that's gonna be the nuisance.
Yes. It will be, rather.
Oh good, I'm gonna have fun voicing him.
Hold on.
What?
I was about to say, the music is still there, but your command box is blue. I think we're on the verge of breaking the game.
Well, you see, that elephant was glitching up, and now... Yeah, I'm actually getting kind of nervous myself.
Oh, yeah, turn around. Technically, we're still looking for that. We're trying to chase after that one Dream Eater.
Oh, so...
Yeah, technically, that's part of it. My bad. That's why. I was thinking to myself, I was like, why is the music still there? And it's like, oh yeah, we're chasing after it. So it's supposed to be there.
But where?
That way. The way it went backward, remember?
Wait, it went back?
Yeah, the way that you came through. Did you not see it?
No!
It was during the cutscene.
I didn't know it was going that way.
Yeah.
Well, I feel silly. Plus, I was also busy level grinding as well. That could have also been a major influence. Oh gosh. Again, level grinding in Kingdom Hearts. Stop. There we go. When it comes to level grinding in the Kingdom Hearts series, it's always satisfying just to beat down a horde of enemies.
Yeah.
So I just get so caught up with that.
That's no problem.
So I literally have to go all the way back.
Pretty much. You'll be eventually going through 3rd District, too.
At least I get to see Lady and the Tramp. What the? Is he hopscotching my attacks?
Its tailbone was destroyed, so it's kind of like hopping back and forth, but it's an invincibility frame for some reason.
Ha! Sucker! You'll never catch me alive!
I love these.
What the?
Quantity versus quality, huh?
Help! Help! Help!
Dalen doesn't know what to think of all
Take
this.
out the Dream Eaters!
Yeah, just fight it.
Oh, I thought there was gonna be a whole swarm of like 90 of them or something.
Oh gosh, if there was 90 of those things, that would hurt. Trust me, those things hurt.
There we go.
That's gonna help tremendously. Blade Charger is like the most OP thing in the game.
Okay.
There's more of them.
Oh gosh, no more! Okay, that's fine. It's just they have really high defense and they can really knock me back out, so... It's
Yeah,
just,
they're basically like that rhino that you fought. If you remember.
yeah.
Except they're dinosaurs.
Okay, I just thought of this funny thing. I'll try to find a clip if I can. I don't know. I doubt I will by the time when you want to upload this.
Probably the next following week, depending on the time.
Okay, I'll try to find it. But there's this one, during the Jim Henson hour, there was this one Muppet-like character when he was showcased in the creature shop workshop. There's this character just voicing as one of his giant characters, and the color of that character looks exactly like those rhinos there. So it's like, Mama and Papa? I'll try to remember if I can find it.
Riku, the third district. We're going to pin it between both worlds.
Got it.
See what I mean by going to the third district?
Yeah, you're right. But at first, those rhinos scared me. I didn't know what I was gonna expect them to do.
Yeah, trust me, those things are pretty nuisance whenever you fight them in proud and critical mode. Whew. They just get to overwhelm you so quickly.
Ow. There we go. Actually, since I'm here, I might as well see what abilities I can unlock here.
Right.
Let's see.
Yeah, with those things, if you have an item, you can do it. Let's take a look at the spells and see if they're useful for you.
Huh?
The spells for the owl that require items.
Oh.
Let's see.
Fire, Blizzara, Thundera.
Okay, so nothing major.
Oh, super. Well, I'll have to wait a little bit for that. Oh, I'm gonna be unlocking lots of stuff here.
Yeah, especially since those will come in handy.
Okay, there we go. Okay, we can continue.
Yep.
I just knew, since we lived there for a while, they would need a good little boost. What the? Oh, not you again!
Thankfully, only 2 of them shows up. Plus, you seem to be doing quite alright.
Just constantly spam the X button. Ow. What the?
Yeah.
Wait, when did the frog just... Oh, it's because of the little... that guy. Ugh, man, that gets annoying. Piranha plants are kind of more annoying... Not piranha plants! I mean, piranhas, they're the most annoying enemy, considering they could do that little laser beam thing.
Oh yeah, and the fact that they have like invincibility frame or something. Don't even know what you would call that.
Help, 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 help. Oh, thank you. Wait, wasn't there one more?
I don't think so.
Why? Wait, didn't I? That was deja vu there. Okay. Ugh, man, how many more of these bloody trumpet sounds do I have to hear?
At least until you get to 3rd district. Which shouldn't be far now.
Oh. Although I'm actually starting to see a little bit of a giraffe in them. Mostly the neck. Other than that, it looks like a giraffe horse, I guess you would call it.
Yeah. Well, giraffes are kind of a horse, aren't they? Technically? Aren't they a member of the equine family?
You're asking the wrong person on that one. I'm not 100% certain.
I was trying to think to myself, I was like, well, technically giraffes are horse-ish?
There we go. Yes, to double check everything. Make sure that we're good. Oh, I got an extra spot. Cool. Before you ask what I'm doing, I'm organizing.
Fair enough.
So we have cute guard there, cute one there, and blue one there. There we go. Fixed up abilities a bit.
Okay.
And now let's go fight the little fuzzy rig.
Actually, you won't be fighting it.
Oh man.
I got you now. This is
Ah, come on, man! I just want to go to the supermarket! And now you're blocking my way! All the same of it!
Sora, you got this.
This is so tired, yo. Every time we chase him down.
I know. But we've got an ally on the other side. Don't worry.
Yeah, well, I still don't like it.
You know, you are such a good listener, Beat. You're like a sponge, really.
Me? I'm not a sponge. I'm just me.
You mean Daisuke Nojo Bito.
Hey! Don't use my full name!
That's a weird name.
Hey!
Yeah, let's just use a beat. So. Oh! Wait,
Well,
another one?
it's time to go.
Hey, Riku. Thanks.
Yeah, stay cool. We'll catch up with you soon.
Say hi to Sora.
Sure.
Riku, remember what I say. Be careful. If this really is a dream, it's going to lie to you, to try and make you think it's real.
I got it.
What? I don't got it.
You and Sora take your heads on this one.
What?
He's not wrong. Even Sora be like, wait, what?
Hooray! That was actually easy. Okay, I thought that we could fight a boss at the end or something.
No, but Sora will.
Oh yeah, Sora had to fight Fuzzy Rig, the greatest magician of our time!
In fact, let's go ahead and start Sora's.
Yeah, because that actually went by pretty smoothly.
Yeah. So time's to drop.
Alright, yes, see, I'm definitely going to increase that. And then drop acceleration to that.
And you're good.
Yes, see, and then we're going to go. This time, we are going to visit!
Yeah.
Not drop, visit! Oh hey, we're back over in the greenhouse.
Huh? I'm back in Traverse Town.
You know I don't like walking
Why,
on glass.
hello down there, Sora. I've been waiting.
We're waiting
You
3
do know you
minutes
can
for
wait
you.
on the
You're
ground,
3 minutes
right?
late.
Come down so we can talk.
Now?
What do you mean now? You're the one who said you were waiting.
You know, you're turning more into Neku every day. But listen, I'm glad you two showed up
You
because...
too? Does that mean Riku's here?
Yes, but you and he are still a world apart. He didn't seem especially worried, though. He knows he'll find you.
Yeah.
Just look at Neku. He and the others all found their game partners.
Oh, they're back home safe now?
Not 100%.
Remember what I told you. Their existence is on the line. And the Reapers are dead set on erasing them for good. But
They
found
got a
refuge
time,
elsewhere.
so
And
they're
luckily,
in a
each
time
other
crunch.
too.
Reapers?
Right. If Neku and the others want to get back to where they came from, they need to win the Reaper's game. It's like a series of missions. Those are the rules of their home ground. Except, This time, the mission is a tough one. They're pitted against a Dream Eater that can summon 100 more like it. So, I was sort of hoping you and Riku could help us out. You have your Keyblades, and with those, we might still have a chance.
Well, I'm glad he's here with me.
If he is. Riku's on one side of the portal, and you're on the other. He might be by your side, he might be a million miles away.
He is one world ahead of you, so...
Even without the
You
wall
ready?
between you. It's
Catch
hard
up,
to
buddy.
say.
Catch up.
Don't worry. He's with me. Even when it might seem like he's not.
Then you two are lucky.
You and your friend are lucky too, Joshua.
I appreciate you saying that with conviction, even though you have no idea what you're talking about.
Hey!
Anyway, Neku and his partner are pinned down in the Fountain Plaza. I can count on you, right?
Always.
Wait, he was gonna jump down there?
Well, yeah.
Whee! My leg! I'm sorry, I still love that episode. That was just perfect.
I haven't seen it, but what Daniel means is the My Leg episode from SpongeBob.
That was a weird glitch. Anyway, yeah, they did an entire episode a while back all about the My Leg guy. Every time like an accident happens, you might hear someone yell out, "My leg!" and they did a whole episode on it. It was perfect. I guess the only downside is that they say that a lot, but what do you expect?
Yeah, he is kind of like the meme. Which nowadays, it seems like the SpongeBob episodes are playing off on the memes.
Wait, stop! 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 There we go. But aside from the My Leg, I also watched like 2 other episodes, and they were actually really good. It's like, wow, this actually getting better. So, I'm glad that the show is doing well, for most part. Then again, they did get the original creator back on, so I think that kind of plays in with that as well.
Probably.
Oh, bother!
It's alright.
Oh, okay. Then we go. This. Oh, come on, you elephants!
Yeah, but you don't mind fighting these things.
Yeah. There we go. Now then. Whee! Huh. Could've sworn there'd be enemies right through there.
Right over there, yeah, but don't think they show up there. That one's getting confused for some reason. Why is that?
I think he tried to swallow the giraffe and realized, oh yeah, my stomach's not big enough to eat a giraffe.
Fair enough.
Wait, I came back that way. Oh, we'll just go,
Into the Fountain Plaza.
Yep, and we'll meet Fuzzywig again.
Excuse me.
This is starting to wear me down. Can we get a timeout?
Time out! Time out! How dare you! I just never realized my feathers look like piano keys. That's the weird thing. Have you noticed that his like bottom wings kind of looks like...
I'll take
Yeah.
it from here.
I know.
Maybe he's like a musical wizard.
Need your help.
I know! I shall play the song of your own death!
Can you fight?
I don't need them anymore.
Oh, right. Your partner. Well, don't you want to make it out of the game? Who's gonna help her if you get hurt?
Okay, you win. All I did was winning.
I find it kind of funny.
You just can't... Oh. I don't like it when people cancel my commands. It makes me angry. Actually, you know what? Oh man.
Yeah, you can't use them yet for some reason. At least not yet, anyway.
Oh, not more of those piranhas.
Yeah. Unfortunately, more of those piranhas. You stepped on one of their traps.
And I'm I'm not paralyzed anymore. Okay, good. I can still do this though.
Not exactly the best thing, but it works.
Well, it got me out of the situation at hand.
True.
Sliding slide water, huh?
He got away.
Sora,
So you must be Neku's partner.
Yeah, I'm Shiki. Nice to meet you. Neku told me all about you.
Also, you are
But
tiny.
you should have seen
Like,
him. He was
seriously, you
everywhere.
can like,
Hey,
and it'll
Sora,
break
stop
you.
talking.
It's like a
What?
twig almost.
You said you need her. That's a good thing.
That's sweet, Neku.
I need you to stop annoying me.
Oh, isn't that cute? He's going to so down to whatever the heck you pronounce it. It's like it's not like I'm interested in you or anything.
Because that dream we're after has retreated to the other imagining of this world.
Other imagining? You mean where Riku is?
Yes. He and our other friends will do what they can, but we'll just run ourselves in circles at this rate. We need to trap that thing in one place, and then we can finish it.
Trap it where?
The 3rd district.
Okay.
Joshua,
Yes, Neku?
tell me, are we really gonna make it home?
But Neku, I thought you couldn't afford to lose. Give up on yourself, and you give up on the world.
Right. So I'll see you there?
Me?
Yeah. You're my friend. It's your home, too.
Maybe it's you that's turning into Sora.
Huh?
Thanks.
To be fair, I'm actually now more and more curious about playing The World Ends With You.
It is a fun little game, I admit. And the fact that it's coming for Nintendo Switch makes it better, so you'll get a chance to play it.
Yeah, I am curious about it. I know you said it's really good. It's like one of the most hidden gems on the original DS.
Yeah, and I think using the phrase hidden gem is better than saying underrated. Because at this point it's not underrated anymore, it's just one of the hidden gems at the time that no one really took notice. And for the very few that did, everyone looked at it and thought, is this Kingdom Hearts? And whenever they played it, it was like, this is not Kingdom
When
Hearts,
does it
but
come out
this is...
for Switch again?
I'll have to look that up. I
'Cause
mean...
I would like to. I actually wouldn't mind getting it. Granted, I don't know how much it will be hopefully it won't be like a full $60 or anything, but
I imagine it to be a $50 game, probably.
I could pay $49.99.
Because, see, technically it does have a new story segment after the main game, of course.
Oh, so a little continuation.
Yeah. Because when the trailer first showed up and everything like that, it showed that it was the main game, but it also featured a new story element towards the end after you beat the main campaign. And it's like, oh, okay, so basically it is what it is, a Final Mix version. Because it said, forgot the title, which I'll have to put it up, but it's The World Ends With You Remix? Something remix.
Reimagining?
No, not reimagining.
Oh.
It's worded to where it's sort of like a bebop mix.
Redub?
Maybe. I'm not sure.
We'll figure it out.
I'll look it up and then post the little poster sign thing that they have for it. It's like, as much as I love the DS version of it, I'll definitely be picking up the Switch version once I get my own Nintendo Switch.
Yes. Whee! Ew, ew. I forgot what the door exit is.
It's up there.
Oh, so I literally have to go all the way up to the highest.
Yeah, that one right there. That little upslope that you just saw.
Oh, okay.
That sigh sounds like a Stitch irritation.
Now, where again?
Right up there.
Oh, where the red one is?
Yeah, red, yellow, orange, whatever color it is.
Okay.
Oh yeah, okay. I see what you're doing.
Okay, I see it now.
And the good thing is that technically, it is just after the first district that you can go through the third district.
Oh, wait.
There you go.
Okay. Oh, you get to like a bounce pad.
Now technically it's an elevator.
Oh man, I wanted a bounce pad. Oh well.
Also, I know some people are going to look at this video and be like, this is actually going for a long while, isn't it? And it's like, well, technically these two is short, so I figured, why not just make them into one video?
Yeah, and then we will be officially in the halfway point of the game.
Yeah, and then Daniel can level grind whenever he wants to.
Yeah, I might level grind a bit, probably. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
There we go.
But yeah, you can enter in the third district from that other doorway.
Wait. Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can enter it from here. Because technically in Riku's side, it's blocked off.
Okay, so technically I could go this way.
Yep.
Alright. Hold on a sec. I think... Oh, good! I get an extra spot. And we'll make that... And then can I upgrade any spirits?
Maybe. You can him, definitely. Balloon is basically your starting point of Balloon Rub, but I wouldn't recommend using Balloon. It's kind of a lower grade, I suppose.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And Balloon Ga, I wouldn't even bother using Balloon Ga. It's kind of broken.
Broken?
As in, it doesn't work the way it should.
Oh, okay.
Balloonra is more OP than the two, which is weird. So you got Balloon, which is sort of like a death trap. It doesn't go anywhere. Balloon Ruh scatters like crazy, and then Balloon Guh is just one big balloon. Doesn't really do much.
Yeah, so, okay.
I got it, Riku.
Oh, so now we get to fight him.
People through for us.
We'll handle
the
things
heck?
here. You take care of the boss.
Will do.
What the?
You ready
You
for this?
again? I thought we killed you.
Uh,
Didn't we?
technically yes. This one's just a resummoning of it.
Why am I getting Whole Kingdom Hearts 1? Does that mean it's gonna transform into a different version like the God Armor, or?
Not really, no.
Well, that's
But
kind
this is more of a boss rush.
boss rush.
You'll see. Just be careful.
What the heck?
I just noticed that it did damage to itself while it did that. Not a lot, but he did a little bit of damage to himself.
I think we have another arms fighter here.
That'd be interesting.
That would be hilarious. Springman versus Weird Ape Monkey with Jet. What the heck?
You can't kill it.
I shall pull this right out of my hat.
See what I mean by boss rush?
Oh, you're from Notre Dame, right?
Yep. Heal yourself. Yeah.
I was just doing commands.
I know, it's just
Cool.
that fireball can do quite a bit of damage.
Here we go.
There you go.
I just realized, like, maybe if I can use the barrels.
Yeah, it would definitely help. There's that one. One more to go.
Oh, dadgummit! You're making this much more aggravating than it needs to be. And now, for my grand finale. Oh, thank goodness it's not the ice one!
At least this time it'll be easier than the previous time you fought this one.
I hate the ice one.
That thing is trying to swallow that boss. And you got it.
That was actually kind of fun.
I know, right?
Yeah. Sorry, Fozziwig, your tricks suck. I blasted all! You haven't seen the last of me! I think!
Hey Josh, where'd it go?
Somewhere else. Out of Traverse Town, and out of my reach. We'll just have to let it go.
Great.
So we failed the mission?
I'll go after it.
What?
Come on, I'm not an actual player. Can't I bend the rules?
You always bend the rules
I
by
guess the
meddling.
rules don't apply if your hearts are connected, right, Sora? That's how you roll.
Right. Then it's settled.
Sora. Thanks. It wasn't easy. You made it easier.
Yeah.
Wow, Neku, you've changed.
Huh? You think?
Yeah, you're less dorky.
What?
Once you find your friend, Sora, you should come hang out in our town.
Definitely. See you in Shibuya.
Sure. It's a deal.
I'll see you when... When does the game come out again? The Switch?
I'm not... Oh, on Switch? Again, I don't know.
Anything I should pass on
Not
to
sometime
Riku?
this year, but I don't know.
No.
Yeah.
I'll see him soon.
I really do hope they appear in Kingdom Hearts 3. That'd be pretty cool. Just to have Shibuya there. That'd be pretty interesting.
Yay, we did it! Cutscene.
Thug works for me. We all got a role to play, right?
Gosh, at least he's honest in a dishonest way.
Silence! No underling of mine shall be insulted so. I have great plans for dear Pete and for all the worlds, once I have taken them for my own.
Then I've got bad news for you. That day's never gonna come.
Perhaps you should take a few moments to reconsider. Or does the Queen's life mean nothing to you at all?
Mickey, don't you listen to her. You can't let Maleficent have her way.
No! Minnie! All right, Maleficent. Tell us what you want.
Let me see. Shall I begin with this world? I much preferred it in its darker, more ominous permutation.
You mean when
said
it was black and
This
white?
place needs some lights out time.
You're lying, Maleficent. Not even you would go through this much trouble just for that. What is it you're really after?
Very perceptive. I presume you are familiar with Xehanort, the man who led me to discover worlds outside of my own.
You know him?
As do
Yeah.
you, I see. Yes, he shared everything with me. How to go about winning a heart over to the darkness. And, most gloriously, about the 7 hearts of pure light. The ones that would grant me the power I need to conquer all worlds. However, the worlds were too complex. Too much for even me to contain. It seemed I had miscalculated. Then it came to me. Of course, I could go about conquering other worlds in my own manner. You do have the data for all the worlds, do you not? And now you will hand it over to me.
Oh, the journal.
Folks
Yep.
pretend you don't remember. Me and Maleficent was trapped inside it. Now cough it up.
They actually made recoded canon?
Yeah, but it plays a small part. As to how big it actually plays in Kingdom Hearts 3, I'm not sure. But the only thing is that Maleficent realizes technically there's a bigger book called the Book of Prophecies. But it doesn't play a big part, I don't think.
Oh, so it's not Jiminy's journal, it's a book we just...
No, it is Jiminy Journal technically. But they know that Jiminy Journal has a record of all the
Why do you want
worlds.
the data?
I'm afraid that is no concern of yours.
Wouldn't want a royal Minnie Mousiness to get a boo-boo now, would we?
I see you have failed to recognize the futility of your situation. Very well. Face your doom now!
The heck?
Minnie! Maleficent, you lose.
No. What happened?
Hey,
How
milady,
the heck
I think the
did
picnic
Axel
right.
do
Give it
that?
a check. Give it a sec.
I now know that what I seek lies within these walls. Trust that I will eliminate you in good time.
Hey, Wait for me, Maleficent. Wait!
You used the darkness to get here? That was reckless. But gosh, I didn't expect you to save us. Axel.
Axel didn't. My name is Lee. Got it memorized?
Wait a sec, how is Lee able to use darkness if he's back to human form?
Well, let's put it this way. Technically, being that of former organization member 13, he remembered he could. As to how well he can control it, I don't think is that stable.
Oh. Oh, the Flea Musketeers! And Fantasia.
Yeah.
I forgot that we could do the Flea Musketeers. Wait a moment. How... If Disney Castle exists and Flea Musketeers is kind of like... Would you consider...
I have no clue on that part.
Oh!
That's the only thing that I can't answer.
I was thinking maybe it's a like it takes place shortly before the black and white, because it is all the time or something.
Yeah, but if that's the case, technically it would have been black and white, and instead it's in color.
Wow. Okay.
Again, I have no idea on that one. A lot of people have theories it takes place between before the Timeless River part and then before it becomes Disney Castle. But
like
at the same
shortly after Timeless River, and then when it gained color, that's before Disney Castle, right?
Yeah, but at the same time, even I'm like, dude, this is Disney. I don't think we need to theorize about this one.
I just thought of that since this is all a dream and yet they're in the past, so it's like I'm just gonna go with the fanfare that takes place after Timeless River but before Disney Castle is finalized. I'm just gonna say that.
Yeah. But then there's also Fantasia because of where it starts off at.
Fantasia will just say it's a world of his own, and Ansem kept Chinnabog kept him. He's like, I destroyed your world, yes, but you, my friend, you have good taste. You should be my bodyguard in my new world. How's that?
Yeah.
Good.
But anyway, though, in the next video, we will start off on, I guess we'll start at the Musketeer world.
Oh, boy! I love Musketeers.
Yeah. But anyway, though, we'll see you in the next video. This is BlackCross and Dal Marr signing off.
Goodbye.
Take care, guys.